In today's exercise, I invite you to think about the day when you're going to walk away from your business. I used to be a pilot, and in aviation, when you start the airplane on the runway, there's a point along the runway's length when you have to make a call whether to continue with a takeoff or to make a decision to stop the airplane. A point when you can pull on the brakes, shut down the engine, and still have enough runway to come to a safe stop. So if you're a startup, what is your point of no return? When are you going to apply the emergency brakes? If you are an existing business and you're struggling and faltering a little bit, when was the last time that you looked at emergency field where you're going to land in case you run out of fuel? It's a difficult choice to make. It's a difficult decision to do. But it is one that is much easier once you're aware of it. Once you know that this is my point of walking away. Below I've included one clip that I hope will help you in clarifying that.